Welcome again to one more episode of ICE 26. I am Pramod Rao, and today I have the honor and the privilege of sitting across a very dear friend of mine. You know him, everybody knows him. His name is Colonel Samendra Kumar. Welcome, Sam, to the show.
Most huge honor. You are a legend of the industry, so always a pleasure to speak with you.
थैंक यू सो मच सैम। तो आज हम बात करेंगे आपके बारे में, आपके कंपनी के बारे में और ICE 26 के बारे में सर। तो शुरू करते हैं आपके बारे में बात करना। आई नो दैट यू आर अ alumni of IIM Calcutta. You studied in the King's College of London. You also got the Sword of Honor and the President Gold Medal at the Indian Military Academy. Am I right?
वो सब भूतपूर्व में था सर।
नहीं, आज भी वैलिड है। तो सैम, मुझे एक बात पूछना था आपसे कि आपने यू आर इन द सर्विसेज एंड नाउ इन बिजनेस, अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर। मुझे याद है 2010 में व्हेन यू वर कॉन्टम्पलेटिंग गेटिंग इनटू बिजनेस, आप एक दिन मुझे मेरे ऑफिस में जायका में मिलने आए थे। पवन भी था आपके साथ में, और आपने मुझे आके सवाल पूछा, शुड आई गेट इनटू बिजनेस? उस टाइम और आज का टाइम, टेल मी योर जर्नी।
So, Pramod, entrepreneur's journey is always over glamorized. Agree?
Really?
Agree?
I don't know.
Okay. So it's never as glamorous as it is made out to be. So early days were very tough. I'd be lying if I said otherwise. So no office fitted our budget. We even didn't know how to form a company. No talent of any description wanted to join us. Nobody was even prepared to give us interns.
Okay.
Yeah. So that was the situation you start. And on top of that, after one or two initial successes, we had a major setback. We lost a lot of money with a major sporting event here. And then I had to sell my house.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah.
You sold your house?
Yeah, so it was the, but ये था कि when you hit rock bottom ना, he who is down fears no fall. Then उसके बाद, you know, you can only go up. So everybody said, yeah, you're down. I said, good, the only way is up.
So you had the hockey curve, huh? From down straight up.
अब hockey है या is it like a V? Let's see, but yeah, it's going up.
How did this name MidCat come? Was it inspired by Kit Kat, or you are very fond of Kit Kat? ये MidCat नाम कहाँ से?
और मिडकैट लोग बोलते थे यार कि नहीं चलेगा मिडकैट। मैं उनको बोलता था यार टाटा बाटा चलेगा तो ये भी चलेगा, you know। और हामिद का चिमटा का स्टोरी मैंने सुना था, आपने भी शायद पढ़ा होगा, ईदगाह, द आइकॉनिक स्टोरी बाय मुंशी प्रेमचंद, जिसमें हामिद ओनली हैड चिमटा एंड ऑल हिज फ्रेंड्स हैड बिग थिंग्स एंड यू नो, और वो अपनी दादी को चिमटा ही गिफ्ट करता था। सो वेरी वेरी इंस्पायर्ड बाय द ओल्ड माइथोलॉजिकल स्टोरीज। सो हमारे दो मित्र थे, एक का नाम था मित्तल और एक का नाम था कतरगद्दा।
Okay.
और वो दोनों कंपनी फॉर्म करने गए तो उनको कोई नाम नहीं मिला। गूगल ये भी ले लिया गया, याहू भी ले लिया गया, यू नो, प्रमोद वो भी ले लिया गया, हर नाम ले लिया गया। तो बोला यार मैं मिड तो कैट, मिड कैट बना देते हैं। और जब उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि आप चलाओ इसको, तो मैंने कहा यार इसका मैं मिड कैट का क्या करूँगा। वन ऑफ द को फाउंडर्स ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू कंप्लेन, यार ये किट कैट जैसा लगता है, यू नो, दैट्स व्हाई बिजनेस इज नॉट कमिंग। So anyway, 3-4 दिन के बाद Eureka moment came one day and we said, yeah, mitigating knowledge age threats. Then we went around preaching that, you know, knowledge age has got different kind of threats, more geopolitical, socio-economic, environmental, technological, regulatory, and that's the kind of threats and risks that we will mitigate.
Brilliant. Okay. So you had a very cherished career in the armed forces. And now you're running a very successful entrepreneurship business of yours under the name of MidCat Advisory. Two different worlds, and one the services, one business. Very different. How did you marry these two and create a successful enterprise?
So दो चीज़ें लेता हूँ मिलिट्री की। फर्स्ट इज द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ वॉर। सो हर कंट्री में किसी में 6 होते हैं, किसी में 8, किसी में 9, किसी में 10, लेकिन पहला प्रिंसिपल सबका होता है, some call it objective, some call it selection and maintenance of aim. So military में they select an aim, they take a lot of time to select an aim, deliberate all aspects of it, you know, does it fulfill line with the national political aim, you know, and once they select the aim, they go whole hog and then they put all the resources, all the efforts to achieve that aim. Now corporate world में भी ऐसे ही होता है, every business must have a purpose and that purpose can't be only about making money. it has to be a much more larger relevant. It has to be a cause that aligns people to you. So the first principle of war देख लिया. बहुत चीजें कॉमन है सर. लीडरशिप दोनों जगह बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ मिलिट्री टेक्स लीडरशिप टू अ कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट लेवल.
Absolutely.
Leaders
Well
of
said.
my generation, young leaders of my generation led from the front.
Absolutely.
At the turn of the century, आपने सुना होगा, young Captain Vikram Batra. He stood atop the icy heights of Kargil. He galvanized the whole nation when he said, "Ye dil mange more."
Correct.
No. Vikram made the supreme sacrifice, leading the next assault and edged his place in history.
Yes.
Now, इसी तरीके से बहुत सारे और भी एग्जाम्पल्स हैं सर. लांस फंस गए, उनके कमांडिंग ऑफिसर 10 दिन तक सर्च करते रहे, and then took him out alive. लोगों ने बोला कि चले जाओ, लेकिन he was driven by Chetwodian motto कि nation comes first, my team comes first, nobody must be left behind. Okay, and got people out alive. इसी तरह एक लांस ना एक डीपी सिंह थे. He was grievously wounded, आर्टी शेलिंग में. बहुत सारे शेल्स अभी भी बॉडी के अंदर में हैं.
Oh.
उनको डॉक्टर्स ने भी डिक्लेयर कर दिया कि ब्रॉड डेड ऑन अराइवल. अभी भी जिंदा हैं, मैराथन दौड़ते हैं सर,
Wow.
स्काई डाइविंग करते हैं.
Really?
Motivates a whole generation. He's a motivational speaker, must listen to TP. So there are guys, and again my friends from army went to army. The air force guys, they went and flew at 2 Max. Navy वाले चले गए, कोई ships में चले गए, कोई submarines में explored the depth of ocean, कोई पूरी दुनिया का चक्कर लगा लिया ship में, कोई साउथ पोल चला गया. One of my regimental officers, Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, went and won an Olympic and later, went to parliament. जब उनको बोला गया parliament जाओ राज्यसभा से, तो बोला नहीं, इलेक्शन लड़के जाऊंगा. और इलेक्शन लड़के जीत के लोगों की blessings लेके पार गए. So that's the military spirit. Never take always the harder right over the easier wrong. But that selection and maintenance of aim is paramount. And leaders always leading from the front. Country first. Duty, honor, country. ये चीजें आपको सिखाई जाती है. And business also has to run with the same ethos. Your supreme focus has to be to the country, to the society, to your clients, to your colleagues. और खुद को लास्ट में आना चाहिए एंटरप्रेन्योर को. जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ने अपने आप को आगे रख दिया, उनका बिजनेस का भट्टा बैठेगा.
Brilliant, brilliant. So, as an entrepreneur, all of us, lakhs and lakhs of entrepreneurs out there, we all face success and we all face failures. That's part and parcel of our journey. What does it mean to you? What does success mean to you and what does failure mean to you?
So पहले failure ले लेते हैं सर.
Sure.
That's more abundant in case of entrepreneurs. I think success rate of entrepreneurs अगर आप agree करेंगे 7-8% है सर. 92% have to fail. So ये game है. So if you fail in entrepreneurial venture ना, don't be too harsh on yourself.
Can I interrupt you here?
हाँ सर.
You know what? In our country, sorry to say this, failure has not been seen very in a positive sense.
बचपन से सर बिल्कुल फर्स्ट आना चाहिए क्लास में सब कुछ.
हाँ.
फेलियर के बारे में सिखाई नहीं जाता है. पढ़ाना चाहिए सर. अभी आजकल क्लास में ना फेलियर और सिविक सेंस तो ये तो पक्का पढ़ाना चाहिए सर.
Whereas when I go to US, I find that CEOs who have failed are in more demand than the successful CEOs.
सर हमारे मित्र हैं पराग अग्रवाल. We were backstage, we were talking about him.
Yeah.
So वो जब entrepreneur हैं बड़ा successful, so वो अगर if somebody had done 2 entrepreneurial venture and failed 2 times तो interview नहीं लेते थे. He used to just directly select him.
Really?
He said your learning has to be so much that I will straight away select you in the team.
Yeah, I know Parag myself and he's been an amazing entrepreneur himself. Coming back to business, you spoke about failure. Now talk about success.
I think success to me is just fulfilling your roles and responsibilities. आपके multiple roles होते हैं. Just because we are entrepreneur, I mean, we still are fathers, we still are sons, we still are kind of members of society. So जो भी आप responsibility है आपको, as a let's say battalion commander, my job was to accomplish a military mission. So if I would do that, I would call it a success. As an entrepreneur, my job is to lead a team. My job is to deliver, what my clients want, continuously innovate, improve.
Right.
So that's success to me. So as a honest taxpayer, if I pay my taxes on time, as a citizen, I abide by laws. So whatever you do, this little success is not only one grandiose thing कि I built my company to $10 billion. I think you have to enjoy the little successes, the mini successes. So I think I see it more as a continuing thing, and you can't rest on your past successes.
Absolutely. So, any regrets of becoming an entrepreneur?
No, not at all.
Really?
Not at all.
In spite of the fact you sold your house?
Not at all. Inshallah, we'll buy a bigger one.
अगर don't take it in a literal way. In case अगर ऐसा फिर से ऐसा मौका आता है जो आप लाइफ आपको बहुत तकलीफें देते हैं, you'll still continue as an entrepreneur?
देखिए अगर मैं 7 बार अगर जन्म हुआ तो पहला मेरा चॉइस रहेगा कि आर्मी जाऊंगा,
क्या
सेकंड चॉइस है एंटरप्रेन्योर।
Really?
यस,
In India,
और एक लाइफ अगर है तो दोनों करूंगा।
any tips for budding entrepreneurs from your side with all the experience that you have accumulated?
So हम लोग all the founders of Midcat and you know our chairman who is a former army commander, General Sudhir Sharma, who you know,
Yeah.
very impressive guy.
Yeah.
So together we have formed some things that is called Midcat mantras. So
Okay.
so first entrepreneurship का, और आप you please feel free to contradict, agree, disagree, because you know everybody's journey is different. Firstly, entrepreneurship involves a fundamental mismatch between resource and ambition.
Absolutely.
रिसोर्स थोड़े होते हैं, एम्बिशन बड़ा होता है, और रिसोर्स अपना एम्बिशन कम नहीं करेंगे जस्ट बिकॉज यू नो लेस रिसोर्स कैनॉट बी एक्सक्यूज, यू नो कैनॉट बी एन एक्सक्यूज फॉर नॉट अचीविंग योर एम्बिशन. सो दैट इज फर्स्ट.
Okay.
Second is the why is important. It has to be about solving a real problem. You know, so identify a problem. It has to be big enough and solve it. You know, it has to be a cause that motivates people, you know, to rally behind you. It cannot be only about making you rich and famous.
Absolutely.
So ये सेकंड था सर. तीसरा, लोग बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. You know, कितनी भी AI आ जाए, टेक्नोलॉजी आ जाए, I think people surround yourself with people brighter than you, people with complementary skill sets. ये yes बोलने वालों को मत लाइए अपने आसपास. You know, so always surround yourself and don't feel insecure in their company. When you get bright people, give them the freedom to operate. You know, own the accountability for results, but give them freedom. Cash management बड़े important है सर. Cash is queen. हमारे co-founder थे used to tell, top line is vanity, bottom line is sanity, cash is reality.
Super.
You know, and I can go on. एक जसवंत सिंह का बताता हूँ सर. 2 शब्द उन्होंने बोले थे which left an imprint. Let go. He said delegate. Because the graveyards of the world are full of people who thought they were indispensable. तो कोई indispensable नहीं है सर. और कोई right or wrong age नहीं है. You know, Jan Sharma once asked me, what is the right age to be an entrepreneur? तो मैंने कहा मार्क ज़करबर्ग, स्टीव जॉब्स वगैरह ने बहुत यंग शुरू किया था. कुछ लोगों ने मिडिल एज में शुरू किया, हम लोग की तरह. And then there were people who started at 66, Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC. वो 66 साल में, you know, फौज छोड़ने के बाद उसने KFC शुरू किया. So there is no right, because passion has no age, Pramod.
Very inspiring. Very, very.
अभी भी शुरू कर सकते हैं, दोबारा आप वेंचर शुरू कर दो. हर दिन देखता हूँ कुछ नई चीज के साथ आप एसोसिएट होते हो. Passion has no age.
Yeah. I age is only in the mind.
Yeah.
And if you don't mind, there is nothing hack on this subject. So let's talk about ICE 26 now. What can one expect from ICE 26? What is ICE 26 all about, and who are the stalwarts and star speakers who are going to be at the show?
So 2 अलग-अलग सवाल हैं, उनको एक एक करके लेते हैं. So जो मुझे फॉर्मेट लग रहा है, what it is going to be, if I can describe it in one word, it will be like Mahakumbh.
Wow.
It will be Mahakumbh of security professionals. So where people from electronic security, physical security, cyber security, resilience, crisis management, EHS, ESG, ये सब एक प्लेटफॉर्म पर आएंगे. हर तरह के लोग, चाहे वो OEMs हो, ओरिजिनल इक्विपमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरर्स, सिस्टम इंटीग्रेटर्स, स्पीकर्स, थॉट लीडर्स, ब्यूरोक्रेट्स, जनरल्स, एडमिरल्स, स्टूडेंट्स, एंड कस्टमर्स, हमारे CSOs, CISOs, heads of BCP, crisis management, technology leads, legal heads, HR heads, they will all come together in one platform to create magic.
Wow, I simply love this word that you just coined called Mahakumbh of the safety and security industry. Amazing, very good name. Okay,
Speakers आपने पूछा था, एक और सवाल पूछा था. So speakers, I know few speakers, personally had the privilege to know and follow their journey over the years. एक वाइस एडमिरल संजय जसजीत सिंह हैं. इनके पिताजी भी बड़े इंप्रेसिव होते थे, एयर कमोडोर जसजीत सिंह. He was founder of IDSA, Institute for Defense Strategic Analysis. So बहुत बड़ा थिंक टैंक है. And Sanjay Jasjit Singh was the flag officer commanding in chief Western Naval Command of सिंदूर में. इनको एक्सेप्शनल सर्विस के लिए सर्वोत्तम युद्ध सेवा मेडल से संवारा गया था. एंड उससे पहले वाइस चीफ थे नेवी के, और इन्होंने स्टाफ कॉलेज मेरे साथ किया था इंग्लैंड में, और वहाँ 93 देश के लोग आते हैं, बेस्ट ऑफिसर्स. वहाँ इनको बेस्ट स्टूडेंट मिला था. वेरी वेरी ब्राइट ऑफिसर, ग्रेट ओरेटर. सो ही विल बी टॉकिंग. मुंबई देखिए, मुंबई का नेवी और मैरीटाइम का इंडिया का कैपिटल है. इस पूरे इलाके का कैपिटल है, साउथ एशिया का. या आप इंडियन ओशन रिम ले लें, अफ्रीका से लेके सिंगापुर तक, ये मुंबई है शहंशाह. सो आई थिंक ही विल टॉक लिटिल बिट अबाउट इंडियाज मैरीटाइम, यू नो, strategy, traditions, or you know, कैसे हम शिप बिल्डिंग में सुपर पावर बनने वाले हैं.
Okay.
So anybody who is amidst the next sunrise industry, people who are interested. I know General Ravi Murugan. He was India's defense attaché in Washington DC. So 3 years with distinction there. Commanded Armored Division, Tank Division. Very, very brilliant speaker. I know Suhail Zaidi. Suhail is the Director General of MAIT. MAIT is what NASSCOM came from.
Okay.
It is to hardware what NASSCOM is to software.
Really?
So very, very, he's again reviving it to its old former glory. So, and there are a whole lot of CSOs and CISOs.
And something on cyber? Who are those?
CISOs आ रहे हैं सर. But the biggest brands, अगर आप Fortune companies ले लें और कुछ लोग को अपने यहाँ परमिशन लेने में दिक्कत होती है, you know, to speak.
Right.
So they will all still be present. So you could still interact with them. So it will be like, you know, on the stage, off the stage, everywhere you will find high glamour questions.
Wow. Okay. To end, what will be one or two takeaways from ICE 26?
Sir, in any event, people come with different motives. अगर मैं कॉलेज से निकला हूँ तो मैं जॉब ढूंढने आता हूँ. If I am OEM, I want to display my innovation. If I am system integrator, I want to meet my whole ecosystem. If I am a speaker, I want to share my wisdom and knowledge. If I am just a CSO and I may want to meet OEMs, I may want to meet system integrators, I may want to meet service providers, I may want to see the whole ecosystem, what new innovation is happening. I may want to share what my needs are. You know, so everybody has got a different need. You know, consultants come to network. So there are a whole lot of people who come to network and add value to each other. So I think there is a bit in it for everyone. In fact, I would say there is a lot in it for everyone. So everybody will go enriched. And together we'll all win.
Thank you, Colonel Sam, for enlightening us with about your life, about ICE 26. And it was a pleasure talking to you and sharing your thoughts about your life. It's such an interesting life you just spoke about. And one thing for me, one takeaway from today's event was how you married beautifully your services life and your corporate life to create an enterprise which had no chance of success. I mean, nobody gave, including me, I never gave you a chance of success. And you made me eat my words today.
एक और कहना तो
बोलो
लास्ट
ना।
वर्ड कहना है.
Please.
ये ना हमारे लिए है ना आपके लिए है. ये देश के बहुत सारे नौजवान जो यहाँ देख रहे हैं, तो उनको मैं इतिहास में ले जाना चाहता हूँ. एंड दिस इज नॉट माई रिसर्च, दिस इज अ वेस्टर्न रिसर्च, कि 3500 BC ईसा मसीह के जन्म के 3500 साल पहले से लेकर 1700 AD तक, उनके जन्म के 1700 साल बाद 5200 साल तक इंडिया वॉज अ ग्लोबल सुपर पावर. वी वर अ क्वार्टर ऑफ ग्लोबल GDP.
Okay.
हाँ, सोने की चिड़िया वैसे नहीं बोला जाता था हमें. सो बीच में वी मिस्ड 1 or 2 रिवोल्यूशंस. इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन मिस कर गए, एग्रीकल्चरल रिवोल्यूशन मिस कर गए, IT को थोड़ा लेट से पकड़ा. लेकिन द फ्लैटनिंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, द डेमोग्राफिक डिविडेंड, द यंग पीपल, आई सी फायर इन देयर आईज, यू नो, द डिजिटल रिवोल्यूशन, द AI revolution, the rapid progress that we are making, the great political leadership and stability in the country gives me the great hope that our time has come. So let us seize the moment.
तो हमारा वक्त आ गया है. Thank you so much. It was wonderful speaking with you. I enjoyed every second of this, Colonel Saab. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pramod.